My name is Lily, and I am the developer of Your Control Center, which is an Alpha-based web software. I've been working with Alpha since October of 2012, and it took about 6 months to get the bulk of the software finalized. I now have paying users and just am focusing on expanding the software. I don't have a programming background. My background is with internet marketing, and with our internet marketing business, what we did was we got overwhelmed with the amount of success that we had. The management of our success got overwhelming, and because I focus on the fulfillment, I realized we need a solution really quickly. So what we did was got online and did a lot of research and tried to find what worked best for someone who has no development background, and where I could just piece together a few things. And I ended up deciding on Alpha. Because I have web design background, I've worked with databases before. What I knew that I needed was something to manage a database. I didn't want to build a website-based database, so I knew, okay, if I can search and find a system that can just automatically manage a database in the format that I want, then that's what I'm looking for. The reason why Alpha stood out to me was because they had the subscription-based package that they offered. Really, it had everything I needed. It had the training, it had all the extra bells and whistles. I didn't know that I needed them when I started, but it was the reason why my software grew to where it is now. If I didn't have the ability to expand on my initial ideas, then I would have only gotten to that point. Because I now have the capability with Alpha to add all these extra things in, use these different languages, my software really is what it is today because Alpha has let me do it. The reason why I chose Alpha out of the competition was because I saw the sample websites, the sample systems that were built on Alpha's website. I looked at them and I saw features that I could relate to. I saw tools that I could relate to. There was one specific system which it was the beginning of what I had wanted to do. So I was confident that because I saw evidence of a piece of what I wanted in the system there, I felt like I could move forward. And because I could use the documentation and the tons of videos that are available, I felt like it was one of those things that if I really didn't want to use it, because it was just a subscription base, I just pull back and try something else, but I never had to do that. With using Alpha, when I first started, the limited goals that I had actually seemed like mountains. So as I developed and as I reached those goals, what I started doing was having more and more goals. And I don't have a place where I am held back. I literally have a list of hundreds of things I'd like to add into the software, and I know I can. And knowing that whatever I want to do in order to make my software what it needs to be really it's the reason why I'll never leave Alpha.